Hi guys, my name is Mr. Graves. I am going to show you guys how to solve this problem about the pattern shown below, and to answer the question that the number in row 17 and column 1 is blank. So first of all, I'll introduce myself a little bit. I am a 11-year math teacher, and I am definitely excited about math. Math is one of my joys in life. Love definitely, and also love helping people. So say for instance here, we obviously see on this first, if you look at this by rows, remember rows go side to side, and columns go up and down. So based on that fact, we can look at first at the rows. I'm going to use my little colors. So these are the rows right here. And you can tell with the rows, they're adding 1 every time. So we see we're adding 1 every time. And please excuse my handwriting, guys. So, but then I'm going to take a look at the columns. All enough using some of my 2 favorite colors. So if you notice here, the columns are increasing by 6. See that? You're adding, going up and down by 6. So the first thing here, they're asking us, what is the number in each row? So, and in column, oops, I should make that different color so you guys can follow along. The rows are supposed to be in red, and the columns are supposed to be in purple. So there's a little formula I like to show you guys about. It's called geometrics. It's called arithmetic, actually. Arithmetic. And arithmetic obviously is when you're adding or subtracting numbers. And then we have something called geometric, and these are all sequences. So it's when you divide or you multiply. So obviously here we are adding 1 to go for the rows, and we're adding 6 to go for the columns. So we just need to worry about the arithmetic. So I'm going to change colors again. So you guys are going to like about me. I love my colors. Colors make me smile. And then you're going to have the geometric in my favorite color, blue. So I'll go here, and my arithmetic formula I'm going to use is going to be AN is equals to A1 plus parentheses n minus 1 times D. So I'm going to, of course, elaborate what on these numbers mean. Oops, make sure I can. That's okay. So n is just obviously going to be the number itself in question. A1 is going to be the first term, or the first number. And D is going to be the actual difference. So basically, if you think about it as skip counting, think about it how much each number is going up and down by. So in this case, if I go ahead and we're trying to find out what is the, when n in this case is 17, we're trying to figure out what is going to be the AN, right? We don't know what that is. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my numbers. I know my n is 16. I know my AN is, but I know my first number, my A1, the very first number on my first column, so I put AI, A1, should it be 9, because that's the first number on my column, right? The first number is 9 on the top of my column right over here. So I plug in my numbers. AN, or A17, is going to be A1, which is 9, plus, we know n is going to be 17 minus 1. And the difference for the columns, remember the columns are going up and down, is by 6. I'm going to be multiplying by 6. I go ahead and try to find my answer. 17 plus 1 is going to be 17 minus 1 is going to be 16. And 16 times 6 is going to be 98. No, sorry, not 98. 16 times 6. If I let me do that here on my there we go. 16 times 6. That's a 2. That's a 30. That's 6 times 6 is 36. Add the 3 over here, and that's going to be 96. I was trying to do it mentally, but it's okay. We all make mistakes, right? All right. Gotcha. Anyone have any questions so far, by the way? I know maybe I'm going a little bit too fast. Please. Any questions? No questions? All right. Cool. Please, and if I'm going too fast, please let me know, okay? Please let me know if I'm going too fast. You know, I have no problem slowing it down. So 16 times 6 is 96. And I'll add 9 plus 96. It's going to be 105. So my answer is going to be, there's going to be 105 in column 1. Please, I hope this, you know, this is how I would do it. Now, the cool thing about this is we can actually check our work for this, actually. So what I can actually do is I can say, okay, well, what if I want to find what is going to be the 17th number in the second, in the 17th, second, on the second column, the 17th row. So I'm going to use a different color here. I'm going to use this guy here. So I'm going to do, I'm going to just do 14. So I'm going to make my A1 be 14. I'm going to find out the 14 on this row right here. And I know my N is going to be still 17. So I'm plugging my numbers. A17 is going to be 14 plus 17 minus 1 times 6. So that'll be 14 plus 16 times 6. So that'll be 14 plus 96. And I do my math off here to the side. 96 plus 14 is going to be 9 plus 1 is 110. So look at something real fast. The difference, right? Like this is how I know the answer is correct. This is so freaking cool. The difference between 105 and 110 is 5 because there's literally 5 columns between the first five columns between the first number 9 and the sixth number 14, right? Because 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is how I know my answer is indeed correct. And I am good to go there. Guys, if you had any questions, please let me know. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And hit the subscribe button for more. And definitely happy to help you guys out. Take care. All right. Bye.